Getting back to basics, education over engineering. Let me start with this: everyone wants safer roads. That's not up for debate. At Panache Driver Training, we absolutely support the goal. But there's a question we need to ask. Are we actually making roads safer, or are we just making them more complicated? When safer gets confusing. Right now, a lot of road safety policy is built around one big idea: if we slow everyone down and add enough engineering, we can eliminate serious crashes altogether. So we get speed humps, bike lanes, pedestrian crossings, traffic calming devices, and often, all of them squeezed into the same stretch of road. In some cases, even roundabouts are now packed with crossings, signage, cyclists, pedestrians, and multiple traffic movements all happening at once. On paper, it looks smart. In real life, it can be overwhelming, and that's because the most important factor in road safety isn't the road, it's the person using it. Real drivers, real limits. Roads aren't driven by average drivers. They're driven by real people. People with different experience levels, different confidence, different reaction times, different abilities. Many drivers already struggle with the basics: steering control, scanning properly, making decisions under pressure. Now imagine asking those same drivers to instantly process dense signage, cyclists, pedestrians, lane changes, speed changes, and engineered obstacles, all at the same time. That's not realistic. When driving becomes too complex, people hesitate. They second-guess themselves. They make mistakes, not because they don't care, but because they're overloaded. This isn't about bad intentions. It's about unrealistic expectations of human behavior. Why separation still matters. Here's an idea that seems to have fallen out of fashion: separation. In the past, pedestrian overpasses and underpasses dramatically reduced crashes because they removed conflict entirely. Cars went one way, people went another. Simple, effective. The same principle applies to cycling. Properly separated bike infrastructure is far safer than painted lines in traffic, for cyclists and drivers. Good road design should reduce the number of decisions a driver has to make at once, not stack them up. Separation isn't outdated thinking. It's acknowledging how humans actually function in busy environments. The truth about crashes. Here's a statistic that should stop us in our tracks. Around 90% of crashes involve human error. That tells us something very important. We cannot engineer our way out of road trauma without addressing driver skill and decision making. Yet in most places, we still treat driving as a one-time qualification. You pass a short test, often as a teenager, and that's considered enough for life. Think about that. No other high-risk activity works that way. Driving is complex, it's demanding, and it carries serious responsibility. Pretending one test covers a lifetime of safe driving simply doesn't hold up. Education is the missing link. At Panache Driver Training, we believe real road safety starts with education. Not just learning how to operate a car, but learning how to think as a driver. That means learning to spot hazards early, making good decisions under stress, understanding human limits and cognitive overload, adapting to new road designs and new vehicle technology, and using simulator training, especially for younger drivers. Licensing should be a process, not a checkbox. Skills should be built over time, and reassessment should be normal, not seen as punishment. Ongoing driver education should be treated like professional development, not a penalty. Finding the balance. Road engineering absolutely has its place, but it can't replace competent, well-trained drivers. Real progress happens when road design and driver education work together, not when one tries to compensate for the other. If we want safer roads in the real world, we need to stop designing for perfect behavior and start investing in better behavior. That means getting back to basics. Education, skills, accountability. At Panache Driver Training, that's the standard we believe road safety deserves. Thanks for listening. If you want to learn more about our approach to driver education, head to panachedrivertraining.com.